guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to learn about small friends. So, what are small friends? Small friends are the numbers which add up to 5. Small friends and the boss of the small friends. 5 is the small boss or the boss of the small friends. 4 is a small friend of 1 because if we add 4 to 1, we get 5. Like, we have 1 over here. If we add 4 to it, we get 5. So, the small friend of 1 is 4. 3 is the small friend of 2 because if we add 3 to 2, we get 5. 2 is the small friend of 3 because if we add 2 to 3, we get 5. 1 is the small friend of 4 because when we add 1 to 4, we get 5. These were the small friends. Now we learn how to add using small friends. When we add using small friends, we remove the number and add 5 to it. Like when we are adding 4 to 1, we remove 1 and add 5. See, when we add on our fingers, we get the same thing. We add 4 to 1, we got 5. So our answer is correct. And even after adding 3, 4 or 2, we get the same thing. We have to remove the number to add the small friend. Like this. Now let's do some sums so that we can get this concept of addition with small friends clear. First let's do our first sum, which is 2 plus 3. First we add 2 because it was direct. But now how do we add 3? We have to remove the small friend of 3, which is 2, and add 5 to it. Like this. We have to remove 2 and add 5. So we got 5. Now let's try on our fingers. 2 plus 3. 1, 2 and 3. We got 5. So our answer is correct as 5. Now our second sum, which is 1 plus 3 plus 1. 1. Adding 1 is easy because it's direct. Adding 3 is easy because it's also direct. But how do we add 1 now? To add 1, we have to remove the small friend of 1, which is 4, and add 5 in place of it. Like this. So our answer is 5. Let's try again with our fingers. 1 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. And now plus 1 again. 5. Our answer is correct. Now, our third sum. 2. It is direct, so we add it directly. Again we have to add 2. It is direct, so we add it. Now, after adding 2, again we have to add 2, but we don't have any other beads, so that we can add 2. We have to remove 3, which is the small friend of 2, and add 5 in place of it. So our answer is 6. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 6. Our answer is correct. Now we add our fourth sum, which is 1 plus 4 plus 2. Now we add 1, which is direct. Adding 4 can't be direct because we don't have beads. Now we have to remove the small friend of 4, which is 1, and add 5 in place of it. And add 2, which is direct. So our answer is 7. We learned addition using small friends. Now we'll learn subtraction using small friends. While doing addition, we learned that we have to remove the small friend of the number to get 5. But now we have to remove 5 and add the small friend of the number. Like, let's try 1. We have to minus 1 from 5. The small friend of 1 is 4. So we add 4 and remove 5. So our answer is 4. Now let's try. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. So our answer is correct. Now, we'll try another sum of another number. We'll take 8. We can remove 7 easily. Now we add 5. Easy. Now we have to remove 3. Now the small friend of 3 is 2. So we add 2 and remove 5. Our answer is 3. From 6 we have removed 1, 2 and 3. Our answer is 3. So it's correct. Now let's understand it even more clearly with a few sums. 5 we have taken, it was direct, so we added 5. Now we have to remove 3. But we can't remove 3 directly. So we have to add the small friend of 3, which is 2, and remove 5. Now we have to add 5 again. It is direct. Our answer is 7. Let's try on our fingers. 5 minus 3 plus 5. It is 7. So our answer is correct. Now let's do another sum. Like we have to add 2 first. It's direct. Now we have to add 1 again. We have to remove 1, which is direct. We have to add 4. We need to use the small friends. While adding small friends, we have to remove the small friend of the number and add 5. The small friend of 4 is 1, so we remove 4. We remove 1 and add 5. Now we have to remove 2, which is not direct. We have to add the small friend of 2, which is 3, and remove 5. Our answer is 3. Now another sum we can do to understand it more clearly. 6. It is direct. We have added it. Now we have to remove 4. How do we remove it? We have to add the small friend of 4, which is 1, and remove 5. Now we have to add 3, which is direct, which is not direct. We use small friends for it. We have learned small friends addition. For that, we have to remove 2, which is the small friend of 3, and add 5. Our answer is 5. Now let's do the last sum, which will make it totally clear how to add small friends and subtract small friends. Now we add 5. It is direct. We have to remove 1, and 1 is not direct. Removing 1 is not direct. So we have to add the small friend of 1, which is 4, and remove 5. We have removed 5, and now we have 4 on our abacus. Now we have to add 3. We can't add 3 directly, so we have to remove the small friend of 3 and add 5. The small friend of 3 is 2, and the boss is 5, so we add 5. Our answer is 7. Let's try on our fingers. 5 minus 1 plus 3. Our answer is 7. So it's correct. So guys, this was a video on small friends. Do like, share and comment on our video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get our notifications whenever we upload a video. Thanks for watching.